Welcome to this video, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a color gradient that animates to your text on your web page. So you see I have this basic element. It says the wheelchair guy. It's an age 1 element, and I have given it the class of animate. So right now, inside of the head, we have the head tag over here. Inside of the style tag, I can basically select that element and style it. If you have an external sheet, it's okay. That's going to work too. So let's select that real quick. So I'm going to type in .animate and open two curly braces. And the first thing that I do is I just change the font size to something. So 60 pixels, maybe it's too much, but I'm going to keep it for now. We're going to resize the browser so it will adjust. So let's go to the next line. Right here, I can type in background and I can say linear gradient. So linear gradient, and you open two parentheses. You can type in to right, followed by comma, and then you add some colors there. I have some colors here. I have just pasted them there. So I have some colors already here. So let me just paste it here, and you can zoom. I can zoom out. So you see I have background, linear gradient, to right, followed by some colors, and I can simply close my parenthesis here and add a semicolon to the end of it. So when you do this, it's going to add a gradient to the background. So now we will apply this to the text instead of the background. So we're going to clip it. So I'm going to say background dash clip, and I'm going to say text. And once you do this, it's going to disappear, but it's all right. So we go to the next line. So we can use color and you can set it to transparent. And as we set it to transparent, it's going to apply it there. So you see, it's applied to the text right now. Now let's animate this because right now it's kind of dull. So we will animate it. So what we're going to do is that we are going to go to the next line and type in add keyframes followed by an animation name. So I'll call it gradient animation and open two curly braces. So right here, we can basically type in 2 and then open two curly braces again. I can say background position, let's say 200%. So you see right now, this is not going to work because we have not added this animation to this selector, and to do that we can say animation. So animation followed by the animation name, gradient animation. Just make sure that you have the correct name. So I'll make sure that I highlight it so it's gonna show me that it's correct. Just like that. Then 4 seconds, a linear, and infinite. So now you might say, okay, still it's not working. I'll tell you why it's not working, because we have not set the background size to 200. So right here, I'm going to add background dash size 200%. And as you notice, now we have this cool effect, all right? So this is basically it, everybody. And you can change the colors over here. You can adjust colors. Let's say that I want to change this yellow to something else. So let me change it to blue, maybe, just so we can see what's going on. So you see how nice it works. It's basically just like a wave.